Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set a reminder in Google Pixel 9. First, open your Google Calendar app on Pixel. Then tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Reminder. Now type in the reminder name, for example, buy groceries. Next, set the date and time for when you want to be reminded. If you want this reminder to repeat, tap does not repeat, and you can choose to repeat it daily, weekly, or customize the schedule. Once you set everything, tap save and your reminder is now set. You can view your reminder anytime in Google Calendar app. It also sends you a notification at the time you set. And that's it. Now you can set reminder using Google Calendar on Google Pixel 9. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.